move it so I can put it out there and get it out of here.
Okay. I go left, you go right.
Put the door back.
I know for sure it's in here. I seen it. It scared me. It's in this tree. That's where I last seen it. Oh my God!
Oh, wait a minute. Now don't skip. Let me get it. It's underneath here.
It's in here.
Yeah, before it flies through here on you.
I don't see it. Where'd it go? It's in
Right
here.
up there it is.
Where? Oh. Oh my God, that's me! Where'd it go?
Right up through here.
It touched my leg and it felt so weird. It's right here. It's under the couch. Back there. It's behind there. It's over there in the tree.
It's under this thing.
Don't hurt the bird. The Visco girls will go crazy. It's over here. It's in your closet.
Oh, heavens. I could get in there.
Oh, it came out. Oh my gosh! Ew, it's under your bed. It's on this side now. I get this side, you get that side.
Okay, now, you've got you in the window now. They keep you in there.
It's in the window. Where did it?
No, what's it?
Where's that?
I don't know. It went in up or behind it. Oh, I see him up there.
Where?
He's over.
He's right there. Oh my gosh, it's in there! It's back in the bathroom.
Now, if you don't get out of my way,
It's right there. It's on the
well, no.
It's gonna poop over everything. You got it! Did you kill it? Is it okay?
No, he's okay.
Okay.
Oh,
Let's hurry up and get him outside. Let's go let the birdie free.
shut this door right quick.
Okay, I'll shut it when you let go.
So you don't go back behind me.
Be free, birdie! Hey guys, so what you guys just seen was a bird flying in the house and us trying to get it. So if you enjoyed and want more funny videos like this, I'm not guaranteeing that it might happen because it's like a small chance that this will happen again. But anyways, if you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and yeah. See you guys next time. Bye!